people use natural resources not thinking of the possible consequences. They even don't imagine their impact on the environment. Meanwhile, technological development and growing economic activities of humans strongly affect nature around us. One of the most relevant problems nowadays is reduction of soil's fertility. Therefore, owner of the research and production company Cinta repurposed the very enterprise, having made it environmentally friendly. At that time, my father's been manufacturing pulse switches. I've decided to develop a company by restructuring the enterprise. We've switched it to alternative energy sources. Besides, we also had a common hobby, farming, which later became one of our main activities. We stand for organic farming development with the use of natural fertilizers. Cinta has been created 24 years ago, with proximity switches being one of the main company's produce. At present, Cinta develops environmentally friendly manufacturing, studying the use of clean technologies in agricultural sphere. As a result, the company provides Ukrainian agrarians with a unique produce, that is organo-mineral potting soils with silicon-containing natural minerals.
Наш товар – это, я дал ему название Recultivat.
These mixtures are used to reclimate the soils. It's an organo-mineral mixture based on bottom ooze. It's completely natural fertilizer. The mixture is manufactured in Mykolaiv, where the raw material is being prepared, shattered, mixed and moisturized.
Подготовку сырья, дробление, смешение, увлажнение.
Quality control and packing are done in Mykolaiv as well. We propose bags of 5 to 50 kilograms capacity and 1-ton big bags. Our marketing department is located in Odessa. Besides, the company employs a number of agents who deal with marketing and promotion of our produce throughout Ukraine. Our foreign economic department in Mykolaiv sells our produce abroad.
По всей территории Украины. Кроме того, в Николаеве находится внешнеэкономический отдел, который предлагает данные продукты за рубеж. Также есть ученая группа.
As for our research panel, we are working with 2 high-class specialists. One of them heads Odessa National Botanic Garden, while the second one heads the Grishko National Botanic Garden in Kyiv. They are working upon development and introduction of new ideas, while Cinta conducts marketing studies and puts the ready produce on the market.
Эти идеи прорабатываем, проводим маркетинг и даем им ход уже на рынок.
Thanks to this enterprise, scientists have received a possibility to study silicious mixtures as well as conduct large-scale tests at Ukrainian fields. We have already received positive results, and I can say the produce can be not only promoted in Ukraine but sold abroad as well. Traditionally, people try to enrich the soils with compost, putrid mud, as well as some groups of natural minerals. Having mixed all them together, Cinta received an ultimate product, a hybrid of traditions, researches and modern knowledge.
Уникальность данного продукта состоит в том, что
The product is unique because usage of silicious minerals together with organic components such as peat or animal residues creates a so-called silicone matrix or silicone gel in the soil.
Позволяет создавать в почве так называемую кремниевую матрицу или кремниевый гель.
This substance improves its physical, chemical and biological properties.
Химические, биологические характеристики почвы.
As a result, we can in fact fully restore the soil fertility and significantly improve its water retention capacity, thus creating optimal conditions for agricultural production.
Условия для роста и развития растений.
Повышает устойчивость.
The mixtures increase plants' resistance to maladies and make it possible to reduce the use of chemical fertilizers to minimum.
Удобрения, если они необходимы, допустим, для таких групп, как подсолнечник.
You know, some plants require big resources. For example, growing corn or sunflower with the use of our mixtures, you get high yield, while minimal use of agrochemicals causes zero damage to soil.
И без нанесения вреда почвам.
Разработкой мы этим занимаемся уже более 10 лет.
We have been working upon these developments for more than 10 years.
Повысили устойчивость растений.
We have been doing this to find out the substances able to increase plants' resistance to stress factors such as soil moisture deficit, farm pests and temperature drops.
Устойчивость к температурным перепадам.
The company's produce is aimed at internal and foreign markets. Cinta conducts researches, develops, produces and introduces alternative environmental-friendly organo-mineral mixtures and fertilizers.
Мы направлены на переход к органическому земледелию без потерь.
We aim at gradual transferring to organic farming without crop losses. Our mixtures used for soil recultivation are produced under Greenodin trademark.
Несколько видов. В зависимости от содержания
Depending on the percentage of components, the Greenodin mixtures are divided into several types. The name of a type is a color dominating in a mixture. At present, we suggest Greenodin white, black, grey and
на
brown.
сегодняшний день есть 4 вида. Это Greenodin white, Greenodin black, grey и brown.
They are made of the same components, but their percentage is different.
Но в разных пропорциях.
I think they can be used in any sphere.
Первая задача – это восстановление здорового и натурального способа воздействия.
The main task is returning to organic farming and soil cultivation. That's why we are working with regular gardeners and big agricultural holdings, so to say, with everyone involved in agriculture. Besides, the peculiarity of our mixtures is that they are applied traditionally like agrochemicals with no special equipment required. The mixture is applied only once a year. There is no sense to do it more often. Later, we suggest gradual reduction of the amount of the mixture applied by 20% yearly. I assure its effectiveness won't decrease.
Не теряя эффективности от действия нашего продукта.
Each year we record positive results. They are stable and are observed over a long period of time.
Если сравнивать с химическими
Compared to chemical and stimulant fertilizers and crop protecting agents, our produce is considerably cheaper. As for agrochemicals, a farmer has to use several kinds simultaneously, while our mixture is applied only once, saving time and resources. A farmer doesn't have to use any additional equipment, because no additional nourishing cycle is required.
а вносит единожды.
Мы не просто хорошо стоим на ногах.
We are not just standing firm on our positions, we are now in the forefront of development progress. Therefore, we are going on, we have no right to stop.
Ищем подходы.
Currently, we are studying the possibility to develop organic farming, significantly reducing the usage of mineral fertilizers. Moreover, applying soil reclamation mixtures, one can almost completely refuse from chemicals.
Практически полностью отказаться от внесения химических минеральных удобрений.
Мы принимаем участие
We participate in various exhibitions dedicated to ecology and organic farming. We are also conducting seminars for farmers and agriculturists from different regions. We agree the meeting, they invite their colleagues, recommend our produce, while we conduct seminars and share mixture samples.
и даем на пробу.
В конце февраля этого года наша
In
компания
February, our company has participated in an Agro International Agricultural Exhibition and in particular in its bio-agro part, held in Bulgarian city of Plovdiv.
на выставке
Visitors of the exhibition could get acquainted with our company's produce, namely with Greenodin mixtures for soil reclamation. I can say that visitors had taken a particular interest in our product.
интерес к нашей продукции.
Имеем представителей
We have representative offices in Bulgaria, United Arab Emirates, Vietnam and China. Researchers by our scientists prove that an enterprise of this kind could be organized in any country of the world, taking into account only climate conditions.
климатическим условиям.
Cinta brings out the best in Ukrainian science by introducing latest scientific developments. Everyone in the company understands own responsibility for a clean planet and does his best to save rich and fertile Ukrainian soils for the following generations.
У нас
Our team is unusual, or more precisely, there is an unusual managing system here at the company. Each employee is a member of one big family. I wish the government support the development of such sphere as ours. It doesn't have to participate, but it could give possibilities and open doors for such projects, because there are lots of them in Ukraine now.
не способствовало их возникновению, а их очень много.
Я считаю, что
In my opinion, everything Cinta does is aimed at creativity, beauty and love to native land. Everything they plan comes true, so my wish to Cinta is to develop, move further and to have no stops on its way.
быстрыми темпами.